This is an Amazon purchase kayak or SUP, SUP or stand-up paddleboard light, night light. These are the contents of the box. It has two remote controls. The package contains the a 26 feet long, has 16 color hose light strings. That's the hose light string. The remote control is infrared, and there are two double-sided adhesive tapes that came with it, and 10 self-adhesive buckles for fixing the light tubes. And you can use them, of course, with your SUP, your kayak. It makes them sparkle at night. You will need 3 AAA batteries in order to operate the remote. So it's not included, just making sure. And this is supposed to be easy to install, and I haven't tried it. I'm just showing you the contents of the box. But this was delivered very fast. I ordered at Amazon, and right now they are at 5 stars with a review by Glue Glitter. Thank you.